Okay, let's talk about the options that you can set for the title or the reader and the abilities that you're going to give your end user. You can see our title toolbar is pretty basic right now. The basic functionality is here, but let's see the complete set of tools that we can add. So back at the title screen, I'm going to click on Edit Title and go to the Appearance and Options. Over here on the left hand side in the basic section, I'm going to click on Options. So I'm going to scroll down to give you the full view. Okay, the first thing you're going to see here is the interface language. You can choose a suite of languages that you can display the various flipbook messages to the end user. Now this isn't going to translate your content, it's simply going to display the various messages that our flipbook displays to the end user. So I'm going to keep it to English. The default publishing domain, if we look at our issue, okay, if, the domain that you're going to choose is the domain that will be listed in the issue URL up in the top browser bar. This is obviously something that you can customize if you purchase a custom domain for your account. Otherwise, you can simply use the default settings for your default publishing domain. Page number offset. You can match up the flipbook page number display seen here. We can see that this is 0. Starts at page 0. Really, we want this to display page 1, so I'm going to change this to a +1, or just 1 in this case. So it's to get the physical page numbers displayed on your publication matching the toolbar page number display. You can also enter in minus numbers here if you need a negative number in order to get the page numbers matching. So we'll start with the flipbook options. These options apply only to the flipbook, which is the desktop flash experience. The checkboxes here are clickable and will show you the corresponding icon, if applicable, up in the banner visual preview to let you know what icons are related to each of these options. So the Enable Crop and Print Save tool, giving the end user the ability to crop and print or save any defined area by dragging a selectable box over your pages. The allow downloading original PDF in full, and the downloading selected pages is an option that you can give your end users as well. You can allow printing from the flipbook, allow a full screen view. You can enable or disable a page turning sound effect. You can turn off or on the links list, giving the end user access to a menu in the toolbar that displays all of the embedded hyperlinks where they can click on them and get to the destination website. You can choose to hide the bottom thumbnail that are shown in the flipbook. By the way, I'll show you all these after we update our title here. I'm going to choose to not hide the bottom thumbnail navigation buttons. You can choose a page flipping speed for the flipbook. Let's just keep it at normal. And the bottom section here, flipbook and mobile options, apply to both the desktop and mobile platforms. So the option of allow email sharing, allow social sharing such as the Facebook and Twitter social feeds. You can choose to show archives if you want to give the end user the ability to access all of the issues within your title. You would choose this option. Obviously, you need more than one issue in order for any other issues to show up in this folder icon in the top toolbar. Then we've got some other options that may not apply here. Always open. If we look at our publication right now, you'll see that it begins and loads up in a single page and then opens up into the double page spread. similar to a print publication. You may want to have your issue always open in case you have maybe a fold out advertisement, or you want a help page on that very first page, and open it up on the left with the cover, the real cover on the right page. You would choose the always open option. Single page view would be considered for maybe a slideshow presentation or a landscape view, and it would just flip one page at a time. And then you have the option of showing or hiding the help button on the toolbar. That's up to you if you want to give that option to the end users. Some of the options that you choose to hide from the end user are mentioned in the help button, so this is why you may want to not show the help file. Let's update our title and take a look at our updated publication. Okay, we've updated our title. Let's bring our issue over here and refresh. And we're going to see the updated tools and features that are now available to the end user. Okay, so let's just go through all the tools available. The preview all pages is something that is always accessible. It gives the users the ability to click on a thumbnail and navigate to that particular page. The list button here, the table of contents, is propagated from the articles for an issue, and also gives them access to particular sections that you can define within the publication. But the links list is something that you did set at the title level, and gives them access to all of the various links that are available in the publication. The archives button here obviously would display multiple publications here if I had more than one issue for my title, but I only have one issue here, so you're not going to see anything listed here. Otherwise, you would see thumbnails for the archive issues. Here's the social network feed and your sharing options. There's the email, page to a friend, Facebook and Twitter feeds, and the social bookmarking, other social bookmarking sites here at your disposal to share on. Continuing on, there's the print, pretty straightforward. The download PDF options, there's the entire PDF, and then the select pages where the end user can click on that. The currently viewed pages are automatically selected, and then they can select any other pages as needed. The limit here is 24 pages at a time from a subset of the first 24, the next 24 pages. We just don't want to allow too many pages to be selected, because it can affect performance when we rebuild the PDF for download. The crop, print, and save tool gives the end user the ability to save any aspect of the pages or any section or area and save it or print it. We've got the full screen option, and where a user can get into a full screen view. One thing you'll notice about full screen is you lose the background image as well, because the full screen is full flash without any HTML supported, so that background image is displayed in the flipbook as an HTML element, so it's not going to be displayed in the full screen view. There's the help file that the end user can read about the various functions, and then you can just close this. So that is editing the options for your title.